Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here with Nick Barnes from Vorsteiner at their headquarters in Huntington Beach, California. We came down from Monterey, and as you guys know, we've worked closely with Vorsteiner over the years. In our pink G80, we had the full Vorsteiner kit. We had that at SEMA. We also have it on our Santorini with the forged wheels. We also have the forged wheels on our J87 M2. A lot of questions on forged wheels, where they're made. Nick's here. He's going to kind of walk us through all the wheels and everything.
Sean, welcome.
Yeah,
Glad to have you guys here.
Yeah, we've known each other quite a while now.
Yeah.
And you head up all of the Vorsteiner everything. So you're VP for Vorsteiner.
VP for Vorsteiner.
You're also on the Guntherwerks side as well?
Yeah, so I was previously the operation manager for Guntherwerks for the past 3 years, but I've been with the Vorsteiner brand for over 10 years now. Awesome. So it's been fun to see it grow over the years.
Yeah, so it's been a great brand, and we've done a lot with you guys over the years. We wanted to do this piece to kind of show off the fact that the wheels, every aspect of the wheels is made here.
Yeah, every aspect of the wheels is actually made at this facility in Huntington Beach. We do mainly this facility here. It's about 25,000 square feet. We do all of our Guntherwerks disassembly assembly out of this facility here. But we also do all of the Vorsteiner wheel assembly and machining for all of our forged wheels. We're excited to give you guys a little tour of the machining shop and our full process of our forged aluminum wheels.
So I guess let's get back there and we'll show everybody what it takes to make a set of forged wheels.
Perfect. Let's go. So let me take you guys into the machine shop where we make all of our Vorsteiner 3-piece wheels. Come on in. First start with a new wheel application. We need to engineer and program it for that specific vehicle. So what you see here is a 352 that we're actually engineering for a new BMW M4. What engineering does is it will actually take the design and we'll look at the load rating and what the performance that the vehicle is going to go through, and we'll design and optimize the wheel for as much strength but as reduced weight as we possibly can. Once that engineering is complete, we'll run it through a FEA testing, which will simulate what the loads will be on the vehicle. Once that's complete, we'll then do the programming for our lathe and mill programming. Let's come take a look at what that does here. So what we have here is one of the forgings for one of the wheel faces. What we start off with is a T6 6061 forged aluminum forging that we get from our local suppliers. The aluminum's already gone through that forging process of heat cycling and actually creating a forged aluminum. It's the highest strength aluminum for a 6061 aluminum forging. From there, the actual part is placed onto our lathe. So what the lathe will do, the lathe operation will actually mill the wheel profile, the center bore, and we do our mounting flange all within one process. We're one of only 2 facilities that actually does that whole process all in one shot. What that allows us to do is speed up the actual milling and lathing process. From there, the part is put onto our mill. So you see here are some jaws. These jaws actually what hold on the forging within the mill. What the mill process will do is the mill will actually mill out the design of the actual wheel. All of your back pocketing, all your face pocketing, the actual design of the wheel will all get done on the mill that you see behind me here. Typically, depending on the lathe and milling program, we can cut a whole set of wheels in just a few hours. Once the wheel has completed its milling process, we'll actually deburr the wheel, take all the hard edges off of it, and then from there, it's sent out to finishing. Once the wheel's back from finishing, we'll actually assemble the wheel. Weight reduction and reducing the rotational mass is our biggest focus when designing our wheels. When we initially came up with the program, we didn't want the wheels to just be design oriented or the look of them. All the wheels were really, main purpose is functionality, weight reduction, performance, and you'll see that through every aspect of our wheels. From there comes the design. All of our designs are very modern, very unique, very Vorsteiner. Again, mantra being perfection redefined, and you'll see that through all of our wheels. So let's come take a look at some of the different finishes that we actually have ready for assembly here. In addition, like I'd mentioned, we do all the Guntherwerks wheels in-house as well. So all of those are all 6061 forged aluminum with aluminum barrels as well. We've got a couple different of our Fuchs design here. Graphite's one of the more popular finishes for our Fuchs, but here's a fun green finish. And then coming down, we also do brushed finishes. So this face has been completely brushed, and then we'll do a tinted clear coat on top of it. Another popular finish here, satin black with the gloss black barrel. And my favorite, again in our 352 design, another brush with a tinted clear coat on top. So up top is where all of our barrels are stored. We actually try to inventory most of our most popular applications. So your 18 by 10s, 23s, 24s, we have them in stock. Allows us for a quick delivery instead of waiting on other suppliers. Let's go take a look at the team assembling some wheels right now. So come check out what Bowen's assembling right now. We've got a set of 3-piece FR 307s. This has our polish with a gloss clear finish on it. He's got his outer and inner barrel prepped and ready. For all of our wheels, it comes standard with a satin black inner barrel. It's really nice because it hides all the dirt with a used wheel, so it always stays pretty clean with a black barrel. So Bowen's got its hardware. If you notice, it's got hidden hardware. All the hardware on the back of the wheel is actually gonna mount directly into the face. So it's all blind is what we call it. So here's one of the wheel hardwares that assembles the wheel. Each one of these is made out of titanium. And again, anywhere we can save weight, we go ahead and do so. So what Bowen's doing here is prepping all the Loctite on the wheel face. He'll assemble the wheel using the hardware in my hand. And then from there, we'll move it over to the runout and check the runout on each wheel. So now we have that assembled wheel ready to be actually run out. So with the run out testing, we'll test the outer barrel and then the inner barrel, and we want to get the barrel trued out between both of them. We want to get within 16 thousandths is what our ultimate goal is here. Bowen will step in here and he'll start doing the run out test here shortly. And the last set for a completed wheel is our center cap. This set's now ready to be shipped out. Again, you guys have seen the full process of how a Vorsteiner 3-piece wheel is made. Hope you enjoyed. For more information, check out psi.com or take a look at vorsteiner.com. Thanks, enjoy.